Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Spirit Airlines Karen Demands to Board After Missing Her Flight.
On June 24th, 2025, deputies were dispatched to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after receiving reports of a woman causing a disturbance at a Spirit Airlines counter after missing her flight.
Of course, it's Spirit.
There's two dates on it. You can ask somebody. Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what?
Let's
Ma'am, what? I haven't done anything.
Oh, hold on. 1 second.
There's two dates on it. You can ask somebody. Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? I haven't done anything. I'm speaking to Spirit Airlines about my flight.
Okay.
About my flight.
It's gonna go two ways.
No, it's not gonna go any way because I haven't done anything violent. I haven't done anything. All I did was speak. All I did was speak.
I'm trying to be friendly.
Broward County Sheriff's Office. What did you come up here to do when I'm talking to Spirit Airlines? I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I understand and I'm trying to get some information. No, I'm getting clarification. BS okay, come over here when I'm getting clarification about my business matters. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't insulted her. I haven't cussed her. I haven't touched her. I haven't done anything. I can stay right here and talk about my flight. You coming over here and trying to intimidate me ain't gonna do anything because I haven't done anything illegal.
Do I look intimidating? You're the one that's looking intimidating.
I didn't do anything illegal, so you coming over here to come in my business has nothing to do anything.
Alright,
Be a soul. Be a soul.
So she's done?
Be a soul.
Okay, so you gotta leave.
Okay.
No, I'm talking about my flight.
Listen.
I'm talking about my flight. I'm talking about my flight.
Alright.
No, don't touch my stuff.
Listen. We're gonna give you 10 seconds.
Let's go, please. Let's go. Come on.
No, what you're not gonna do is touch me. I haven't done anything.
Let's go. Come on, man.
Have I done it?
Get the phone out to record. Come on, man. Get out or you going to jail.
Anything, sir. No, don't touch my. No, please don't touch me. You cannot touch me.
You do that, it's gonna be a problem.
I'm not even touching you.
You're gonna walk or not?
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing
Okay.
anything. I'm not. Look, Am I being arrested?
Yeah, put her in cuffs.
Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested?
Are you gonna leave
Am I being arrested?
If you don't go, you'll get arrested.
Am I being arrested? No, but am I being arrested? But am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? This is against my law.
Just go ahead.
Am I being arrested?
Now you
Am
are.
I being arrested?
Now you are.
Am I being arrested? For what?
Alright.
For what? For what? I don't want to go to jail. Am I being arrested? But all I did was talk to the Spirit Airlines, and I asked you not to forcibly touch me.
Okay. Well, that's good. Now we're done. Alright. That's it. Simple.
That was simple.
So you're going to arrest me for talking to Spirit Airlines. I haven't forcibly done anything. I haven't touched anybody. I talked to Spirit Airlines. You're arresting me.
Well,
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You're going to forcibly arrest me.
yeah, for trespassing.
For trespassing where? I have a Spirit Airlines ticket.
Yeah.
I'm not being disorderly. I'm talking. You're hurting me. He's hurting me. I'm not pulling away from you. You're hurting me. Powell, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. If I get reversed on me, it's on you. Powell, I'm not pulling away. I'm still with you. Stop pulling my arm. You are. Stop.
All right. You got this.
Stop. Yeah, I get this. You need to get your hands off me. Now, get your hands off me. And you're still squeezing my arm. Stop squeezing it. Stop squeezing my arm. You are squeezing it. Stop squeezing it.
You get videotape.
Videotape. You're squeezing me. You are. Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, just stick with her.
Ebony here?
Get your hands. Please. He's hurting me. You see how you're holding me loosely? He's tugging me on purpose. And then he's pulling my arm. Look how it's all skewed. It's hurting me.
Just explain to me so I know what's...
She did tell you more.
Who?
Because she was the gay agent. I had to run from the flight
So
over there
what
from over
happened?
here.
Just tell me what happened so I know.
Oh, Paola closed the door at 14.
Okay.
Okay? She walked in, and then as soon as she walked in, see this lady sprinting.
Okay.
And then she came to the counter. I'm like, ma'am, you're going to have to go to across from G10 to be rebooked. Before I even get to finish my sentence, she started getting all rowdy. Calling me names, telling me you're going to get me on the flight, da-da-da-da. And then I called her, and then she could hear her screaming when she was coming down. She just kept getting hot like
Can I get a picture of your little thing? So basically, she came here, already had an attitude.
Yeah, she was late. She said she was at the wrong gate, whatever gate she was at.
Okay.
We don't have E13.
No, that's in Terminal 3.
No, we don't have E13.
Oh, no, not E13, but yeah, that's in Terminal 3.
Yeah, but I'm trying to explain to her, ma'am. Well, that's what the person said when I walked out of TSA.
No one said that.
No one said that.
So, okay, so, and then when I came to talk to her, she wanted to get all loud. So I already knew what was going to happen.
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's it.
All right.
But I needed her name because I wanted her to document. So before you come, that's what she was trying to give me. Because I said, can I see your boarding pass?
Yeah, how long you going to be here for?
So 1 a.m. I got to this side.
Oh, so you'll be here in 20 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get her name for you if you want to.
All right, thanks.
All right. I'm warning you right now. Listen, I'm not gonna talk to you. You kick my door again, I'm gonna press charges for messing up my vehicle. Yes, you do it again. You do it again. Okay, you do it again.
What's wrong with your vehicle?
You do it again.
Are you pressing charges against me? Yes or no?
Ma'am, you're going to jail. Yes, you're going to jail for trespassing. You're going to jail. That's it. Simple. I'm done. I'm done.
Trespassing.
Kick my door again. I'm gonna add charges. I'm gonna add charges.
Where did I trespass at?
I'm telling you right now.
I'm pressing charges. And where did I trespass at? Where am I trespassing, sir? Where am I trespassing?
I'm done.
Damn, this lady can't shut up for nothing, man. Holy crap. Her voice is annoying. I like this officer, though. I like this officer, though. He was trying to be smooth with her, but she just don't care. She just wants to get her way. You missed your flight. It is what it is, man. Gotta be on point. Gotta be on point, man. Once they close that door, your ass is grass. It's over with.
Talking.
Are you still sensitive? Where was I trespassing that you're arresting me?
You know where.
Where was I trespassing? I don't know where I was trespassing.
All right, then.
I'm trying to get clarification.
All right, no problem.
You didn't even give me my Miranda rights when you arrested me.
Okay.
You didn't even give me my Miranda rights when you arrested me. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You didn't say you had a right to be silent. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You arrested me with no justification on what you're arresting me for. You're taking me to jail with no clarification on why I'm being arrested. You're saying I'm trespassing someplace that I have a ticket to be. Always a black man. Always a black man. Always. I hate y'all.
Ma'am.
Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Dumb.
Okay, now I'm not talking.
Shut up. I hate y'all. If it's not you guys beating on us, it's you guys doing some shit. You guys are always attacking us. Like,
Damn, do you get along with anybody then? Because yesterday we seen a lady, I forget which one it was, what video it was, whatever. I do so much content, man. We got over 1,800 videos on the channel. But the lady, it was a black lady, and she said, I hate these white people, yada, yada, yada. And now we turn around today, and now it's a black lady who hates black men. Called him a nigger and everything. Like, damn, like, what's up? Like, God dang, like, can you get along with anybody? Like, which one is it? Next time we gonna have an Asian cop. Next time we gonna have an Asian cop, man. It's gonna be the same thing, man. Next time we gonna have a lady cop, man. It's gonna be the same thing. Like, damn, man. Just take accountability for your actions. It's nobody else's fault. It's no race. It's nothing. The cops wouldn't even be there if someone didn't call about your actions. Don't make. Oh, it was the crossing guard incident. Yeah. That's the one it was. Yeah, and the cops were white, and she was like, "That's why I hate y'all white people," or something like that. But the cops wouldn't even be called if you didn't run the crossing guard lady over. Like that's like the same incident here. The cops wouldn't be called if you wasn't acting like an ass clown at the desk. Can't blame other people for your actions.
I hate black men. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate you guys so much. Like, if it was not one thing that a black man will do to a black woman, it's another thing. If it was a white girl, I swear to God you wouldn't have gone to this lane. But because I'm black, you want to make sure you don't throw the block at me. I hate y'all. Black men are the worst. Black men never protect.
Yeah, 19. Yeah.
Black men are worst. I pray if you have daughters, black men them up too, like you are trying to me up now. You got kids, I pray they go through this shit.
And this
Every
is
last
recording
one.
you any of this.
I hope they get all this shit over something minimal. If not worse. I pray that shit rains on your family's head.
14 on the 10-year case number is 1741.
They shall never rest because of this shit here. I rain it on your head, your kid's head, your kid's head, your kid's head. I rain on the generations from you that they will never rest over this night. They will never rest. They will never rest. They will never see anything good in their life over this night.
She was charged with trespassing on critical infrastructure. Share your thoughts in the comments.
At some point, you gotta stop blaming other people, man. At some point, you just gotta take accountability for your own actions. It's not the black man, you know. It's not the black. If it was a white woman, you guys would yada yada. White women get drunk all the time and get carried out of the airports and shit. White women is beating on their mans and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Crime don't have a color, man. It is what it is. You got decent people, and you got great people, and you got shitbags in all races. All races. It is what it is. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.